Hey guys, my name is Doro, and today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare rosemary water to stimulate your scalp circulation so you can promote hair growth.
Rosemary has so many great benefits for our skin. This small green plant can improve memory, smooth digestive problems, boost the immune system, promote hair growth, and fight hair loss. I like to use rosemary water in my hair in the morning and at night as a hair growth treatment. All you need to do is to add 4 spoons of rosemary or a small branch of the plant if you got one. Boil some water and pour the hot water in a glass. I like to add minimum of water to make this very concentrated. Then you need to stir it for 1 minute and let it sit all night.
So the first thing in the morning after I shower, I applied some of this direct on my scalp and I do a massage like this in a circular motion. I go here straight on the scalp for 1 minute. I've been growing a little bit, as you can see. It's some hair is coming back. Thank God. So yeah, you see I'm like growing this baby hair right here. Trying to focus a little bit more on the areas where you wanted to treat. At night you do the same kind of massage, but instead of 1 minute you do it for 3 minutes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe right here and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. See you on Friday. Pura Vida.